Welcome to another hair dyeing video. Today I'm going to shave off the sides again. I'm getting a little sick of it being a weird length. I might grow it out in the future, but right now with this haircut I want it to be shorter. And today I'm going to be dyeing it this dark red color for fall. I think it'll look pretty nice. So let's get started on trimming the sides. And I'll speed this up so you guys don't have to sit the whole thing. Look at all that hair. Alright, now I'm going to put some gloves on and start putting the red in. It's so hot in here, I'm sweating. That's why I want the sides shaved too, so it's not so hot. Alright. This is a nice deep red. I've done a red before, and I like how it turned out last time, so hopefully this red is good too. The other one was a box dye though, so who knows. Had my first pumpkin spice latte of the season today. Well, not latte, but I got a frozen coffee from Dunkin. They had a coupon for a free one, which is ending soon if anybody wants to use it in the app. They've always got their... Ooh. Yeah, Dunkin's always got really good coupons. They should have me sponsor them. I'm always telling everybody to go download the app. Yeah, pro tip for anybody out there that uses Dunkin or Starbucks or really any fast food or anything, download the app, because most places give rewards and you're really missing out on a lot if you don't get the rewards. I know this is a random rant. I'm already done. That was super easy. I love having not much hair. My husband likes me having more hair, but hey, it's my hair. I get to do what I want. He likes red hair though, so he'll probably like this. Make sure I get everything. I think I'm done. So I'm going to let this sit for probably about half an hour, and I'll get back to you once it's rinsed out and dried. Well guys, here's the finished look. I think the color turned out really nice. And it's nice to not have a weird length of hair on the side of my head again. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.